Hello, my name is David from CP Ceramics and I'm going to show you how to slip cast a plate using a two-part mould. Fill the plate mould to the top level of the feed slowly so the slip runs to the edge of the mould. Leave for about 35 to 55 minutes to cast. Drain the plate mould at 90 degrees on the slats until the surface has started to dry, then gradually invert it to an angle of 50 degrees. Trim back the plate mould using the vertical method. Be very careful not to cut through the surface of the plate. You can do this by gauging your finger on the top of the mould at a steady height and bracing the number 3 steel modelling tool. Firmly move the mould towards the tool on the spinner. Sponge the inside trim line while the plate is still in the mould. Remove the back part of the mould and sponge the sharp inside line of the foot ring. Demould the plate by placing a board on the foot ring and inverting the mould. Remove the face side and fettle back the seam line using a steel tool and sponge to create a smooth outside edge. In the craft world, it's cheaper to make low runs of flatware using the core cast method. Core casting is where the mould defines both the face part and the back part of the plate. As with all flatware, it's important to consider the cross section before you start modelling. It's only possible to core cast standard slips to a maximum thickness of around 6 to 8 millimeters. As the central area is open cast, it may also be necessary to introduce a spring or a positive bow to counteract the effects of slumping during higher firings. These issues should be resolved in the drawing design.